Students, the numerical of chapter electrochemistry now we are discussing. We have one question here. A voltaic cell is set up at 25 degrees Celsius and with the following half cells. Half cells are given. Write an equation for the reaction that occurs when the cell generates an electric current and determine the cell potential. Students, first I am going to tell you how you have to solve these type of numericals. In this numerical, it is asked that write cell equation. If it is not asked, then also you have to write first of all cell equation. For writing cell equation, what you have to do, you have to see this information which is given to you. First of all, whatever is written left hand side in this representation, that will be always, left hand side will be always anode, and at anode oxidation takes place. So you have to learn this in this way. L O A, and loan word you have to remember, left side oxidation, anode, negative charge. So if left side this is written, that is at here oxidation takes place and this is anode. Now we will write the equation that this is left hand side anode and oxidation, this is right hand side cathode and reduction. So first we will write the reaction, that is aluminium 3 plus oxidation, reduction Ni2 plus electrons Ni reduction. Now we can combine these two equations and write, or first you can balance that. If we multiply this by 2 and another equation by 3, we get this equation. Or you can first write this aluminium plus 3 Ni, aluminium plus Ni2 plus gives aluminium 3 plus Ni, and then you can balance it. This equation we have written. Now first part is completed. After that you have to find out this is which one is cathode and which one is anode. As I told you, in left hand side whatever is written, that will be anode, and at anode oxidation takes place. So we have to find out here which one is cathode and which one is anode. Aluminium is anode electrode here, and nickel is cathode here. So now we have to find out E node cell. To find out E node cell, we have one formula, E node cathode minus E node anode. So for this we have written this E node cathode minus E node anode. Now cathode is which one? Nickel electrode is cathode, minus 0.25. We will write this value. Then anode is this value, we will write this, and then we will calculate and we get the value of E node cell. After that what we have to do? We have to write Nernst equation. In Nernst equation, first you write general equation, that is E cell is equals to E node cell minus E cell is equals to E node cell minus 0.0591 by N log concentration of product by concentration of reactant. This equation you have to write. Now what is the value of N here that you have to write? N is 6 in this reaction. How it is 6? N is number of transferred electrons. So when aluminium is converting into aluminium 3 plus, exchange of 3 electrons and 2 aluminium atoms are converting into 2 aluminium ion. So total change of electron will be 6, and these 6 electrons are accepted by Ni2 plus to convert into Ni. So here N is total number of transferred electrons in the reaction. After writing this, the concentration is given to us that we will write, that is, it will be 0.0591 by n log concentration of product by reactant. Here we know product is aluminium 3 plus and reactant is nickel 2 plus, and pure solid pure liquid concentrations will be constant. So nickel aluminium, this will be considered as constant. So here we have written product concentration, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं Al3 प्लस डिवाइडेड बाय रिएक्टेंट हमारा निकल है तो लिख लेंगे निकल। यहाँ पे हमें बेटा बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन में लिखना है, तो सबसे पहले कोई भी रिएक्शन आपको दी है या रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया है तो उससे आप रिएक्शन लिखेंगे तो उसको आप सबसे पहले बैलेंस करेंगे। तो बैलेंसिंग के लिए ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास, बैलेंस करने के बाद यहाँ कॉन्सेंट प्रोडक्ट एल्यूमिनियम है, एल्यूमिनियम की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, रिएक्टेंट निकल है, निकल की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन। एल्यूमिनियम की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन पे पावर 2 है क्योंकि स्टाइक्योमेट्रिक कोफिशिएंट एल्यूमिनियम का हमारे पास 2 है, और निकल की पावर 3 है क्योंकि निकल के नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हैं 3 हैं। तो जितने भी नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हैं वो उसकी पावर में लिखेंगे। दिस इज़ द वे टू राइट नर्स्ट इक्वेशन। After that we have given concentration of aluminium and concentration of nickel. Concentration of aluminium is 0.001 m and nickel solution is 0.50 m. So we will write both the values here. After that we will solve this, and by finally solving all the values we get this is the value or this is the answer for the numerical. So like that we can solve these kind of numericals. So in this, first of all what we have to do, first of all we have to write reaction, then we have to find out by the one trick lone which one is oxidized and which one is getting reduced. And one thing you remember, that left side always oxidation term will be written, that will be taking place at anode and it is negatively charged. After that you can find out what is the value of n. N is number of transferred electron in the reaction, how many electrons are transferred, total exchange. And then we can find out which electrode potential is having cathode and which electrode potential for the anode. Cathode and anode reduction potential we can find out, and by this we can find out all the values. After that here it will be written concentration of product by concentration of reactant with each term raised to the power equal to stoichiometric coefficient. And after that by putting all the values you can solve the numerical of Nernst equation easily. This is the base of the numerical. If you know all these points then only you can solve the numerical of chapter electrochemistry.